Here's what nobody talks about. There's a cycle where you watch success motivation content, feel fired up for 48 hours, do nothing that actually builds your list, then crash and binge more videos. It has a name now, and once you see it, you can't unsee why most network marketers never sell a single thing. I went down a rabbit hole on this because I kept seeing the same thing. Reddit threads, Facebook groups, YouTube comments, people saying, I watch motivation videos every single day. I'm on every Zoom call. I feel inspired, but I'm not making any money. And I wanted to understand why. Not the surface answer, the actual mechanics of what happens in your brain when you press play on another success video and somehow end up further behind than when you started. So let me name this thing out loud. Step 1, you consume. You watch a video, maybe 2, maybe 10. Somebody fired up on camera tells you your net worth is your net worth, that you just need to believe in yourself, that success is right around the corner. And you feel it. Your chest gets warm. You start thinking about what you're going to do differently this time. Step 2, you skip the income producing action. You don't send the message. You don't generate the lead. You don't pick up the phone. You don't post a thing that might get a stranger to raise their hand because you already feel like you did something. That emotional high tricked your brain into checking the box. Step 3, you crash. Thursday rolls around, the fire is gone, and you're scrolling again looking for the next hit. Step 4, you repeat week after week, month after month, and you mistake all that emotional energy for actual business activity. But watching someone else talk about building a business is not the same as building a business, not even close. And the fact that it feels productive is exactly what makes it so dangerous. Now here's where it gets interesting, because this loop isn't a willpower problem. It's a brain chemistry problem. When you watch a motivation video and feel that surge of inspiration, your brain releases the same reward chemicals it would release if you actually did the work. Darren Kidd, who's trained thousands of network marketers, put it this way. Most people stay broke because they join every Zoom call but never take action. They post once and expect results. They wait until they feel motivated. And the reason they wait is because the motivation content already gave them the emotional payoff of progress without any of the actual progress. Your brain doesn't know the difference between feeling like a closer and being a closer. It just knows it got the dopamine. Box checked. Reward collected. And now you're sitting on the couch feeling like a CEO who hasn't made a dime. Someone in a Reddit thread said something that stopped me cold. They said, most people who join network marketing never succeed. The same way most real estate agents who get their license never sell a single house. The pattern is identical. They study, they prepare, they consume, they feel ready, but they never do the uncomfortable thing that produces income. And look, I'm not saying motivation is bad. Mindset matters. But there's a massive difference between motivation that leads to action and motivation that replaces action. One builds your business, the other one builds your watch history. So let me give you the exit ramp. It's simpler than you think. You don't have to quit watching videos cold turkey. You don't have to white knuckle your way through some discipline challenge. You just have to make one swap. One. Replace one motivation video per day with one real action. 15 minutes. That's it. 15 minutes of lead generation. 15 minutes of reaching out to a human being. 15 minutes of putting yourself in front of someone who might say yes or might say no. Either answer moves your business forward. Another motivation video does not. Darren Kidd has this line I keep coming back to. He says, act the way you want to feel rather than act the way you actually feel. That flips this whole script. The loop tells you to wait until you feel motivated, then act. The exit ramp says act first and let the motivation come from the result. Even a small result, even one conversation, Even one person who watches your content and says, "Tell me more." That is real momentum. Not the fake kind that evaporates by Thursday, the kind that compounds. The people who actually change their lives through network marketing didn't do it because of daily motivation. They did it because they took consistent action despite feeling afraid, despite feeling doubtful, despite not wanting to. The motivation came after the action every single time. So if you're recognizing yourself in this loop right now, good. That means you can see it. And once you can see it, you can step out of it. Stop letting content be your comfort zone. Make it your launch pad instead. 15 minutes of real work today. Not after one more video. And by the way, if you want those 15 minutes a day to actually mean something, not just staying busy, but building toward real residual income, I've got a free masterclass for you. Go to homebizsimple.com and I'll show you the turnkey residual income system, a simple done for you setup where the pages, follow up, and sales process are already in place. And you can earn up to 80 cents of every dollar. So instead of trying to figure everything out from scratch, you can see the system, understand how it works, and decide if it's a fit for you. That free masterclass is at homebizsimple.com. Link is in the description below. Okay? Okay.